Hey folks, this is Chris again, and with another product review. So I'm in a studio every day. I have paint all over me from people getting it on the tables. I'm not painting and somehow I'm wearing paint all the time. There is nothing that takes paint off my hand like Really Works Power Towels. I do not make money on this product. They're not paying me for this ad. This is special. Now, a lot of people in the class say, oh, they like to use baby wipes and different things like that. I've tried all that stuff. Trust me, I've been doing this for 30 years. Nothing works like Really Works. You just take it out, close it, and you're done. And it takes off. I don't care if you're using phthalo blue, staining colors, and you've got blue on your hand, it will take it off. Just open the lid, pull out the towel, close the lid so it doesn't dry, and then on the hands. Ready? Okay, this is too funny. And that's it, folks. And nothing takes paint off my hands. I've tried baby wipes, I've tried everything, and nothing takes it off like Power Towels. Nothing. You're welcome to use whatever you want. You're not converting me to something else though. Even staining colors or colors from this morning are coming off. This stuff's great. So if you need help locating it, it's in the show notes below. If I have nothing on my website to teach you how to use this, folks, if I have to teach you how to use this, we need to chat. But if you are interested in more things about art, the tools, the techniques, the mediums, the history of the old masters, how you can use these products and concepts today in your art, see us at artsecretsstudio.com.